Welcome back to our new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about Excel double click to fill. Okay, I would explain you by opening the Excel sheet. Okay, let's open our Excel spreadsheet. Okay, this is called SL. Okay, now I am going to explain like how to do functions by double clicking on the cells. For example, let's take a name in the A1 cell and like proceed, like let's take a name like pass, and let's take another name like fail. In the A1 cell we have taken name, and B1 cell we have taken as pass, C1 cell we have taken as fail. Okay, now let's give like AB, let's give 15, and here also 15, and after let's give BC name, and let's give 10, let's give another 10, CD, let's give 10, let's give 15, DE, let's give 20, 20, EF, let's give 13, let's give 25, and FG, let's give 10, let's give 25, and GH, let's give 15, let's give 10, HI, let's give 14, let's give 14, IJ, let's give 25 and 25. Okay, now we have filled, we have given 10 names and 10 pass and 10 fail. Okay, and here in the D1 cell let's give it as total, like we are going to do total for pass and fail for all these names. Okay, for these 10 names from A2 cell to A10 cell, like I would show you like how to perform the function like double click function from A2 cell to B10 cell, like for from A2 cell, like the name from to A10 cell name, I will perform B1 and B2 and B10, C2 and C10. Okay, for example, let's click on the D1 cell and let's give double click with the help of your left mouse button. Okay, give the function here is equal to, and again take the function which you need with the help of left mouse button. You can select this B2 cell and you should give plus, and also you just select your second cell which you want to count. Okay, here the function automatically takes like B2 plus C2. Okay, after hit enter in the keyboard, like it will be automatically calculated. 15 plus 15 is equal to 30. Now if we want to perform all the calculations for these 10 names at a time, like 9 names at a time, then what we should do, here you observe a small square box in the down right, so you just double click on that square button with the help of your left mouse button, and you could see the results after this. Okay, I'm clicking on this this small dot, square dot. Okay, here you could see all the operations it has been automatically done with the help of the D2 cell. Like we have given the function for D2 cell, after it will automatically calculate the B3 and C3, B4 and C4, B5 and C5, B6 and C6, everything. Like if you double click it, the automatically the function will go for all the remaining cells. I hope you guys understood the point. I would clarify you again. Like for example, we have taken the name, pass, fail, and total. Okay, I want to calculate the pass and fail for B2 and C2. Okay, like if you want to calculate manually for all this rows and columns, then it would take automatically time. So I am trying to explain you, like after performing one operation, after clicking on this small square dot button for like this, automatically the values of the remaining functions automatically it will perform. Okay, here there will not be any error. Okay, like if there is any error, then it would be the error which we have typed. Okay, the system will automatically take the calculation which you have given, which the number you have given. Okay, see, you could see 10 plus 10 20, 10 plus 15 25, 20 plus 20 40, 13 plus 25 38, everything. There will not be any error in the total until unless we have entered the values wrong here. Okay, if we enter the values wrong here, then automatically our result will get wrong. Okay, now likewise I am giving the another function here is equal to b2. I want to give minus, like I want to subtract. You could see the value here 0. Same, now I am clicking the same small square button here, so that automatically the all the B cells will be subtracted with the all the C cells. Okay, now let's see. Here you could see 10 minus 10 0, 10 minus 15 minus 5, 20 minus 20 0, 13 minus 25 minus 12, everything. Like the same wise you could give like multiplication as well. Now I will show you. Double click is equal to b2 into, for into you can give the star mark, you can use the star mark, and c2, hit enter. Like it is 15 15s are 225. Like you can click here and you could find all the values of B cells and all the values of C cells are multiplied, and the result is this. Okay, and you could perform the division also, is equal to b2 by c2, hit enter 1. You could perform this for all other values as well. Okay, I hope you guys understood this concept very clearly, and if you have any doubts in about this concept, you could mention in the comments so that I could reply you back. And now you have seen, like for example, in a sequence order, for example, I am removing the total here. Like I want to calculate the same values, like a b2 plus c2 in E cell. Okay, now let's see how it is going to done. Like I am not giving any command in the D1 cell and E1 cell. I will give directly the function in the E2 cell. Okay, is equal to B2 plus C2, hit enter. Plus C2, hit enter. Now you got the answer like 30. Okay, now if you want to perform for all the remaining cells, now do you think, like if we click the small dot, then automatically the rest of the cells will be calculated automatically? You should mention this point in the comments. Like before I perform this function, you just mention this in the comments, like the rest of the cells will be automatically filled by clicking on this dot or not. Okay, now I am going to say the answer, like the answer is no. The rest of the cells will not get pre-filled, because there is a gap in between the cells, and there is no command for D and E. Okay, I will show you. I am double clicking on this corner cell. You could perform, you could see here while I click on the icon. See, drag outside selection to extend series or fill, drag inside to clear. Like it is mentioned, it is giving the error like drag outside selection to extend series or fill. Like we need to drag this outside to fill the command. Okay, now let's give some command for the in the E cell. I am giving like pass plus fail. Okay, now 15 plus 15, this command is automatically passed. And now let's see, like whether this, by clicking on this corner icon, the rest of the cells will be automatically calculated or not. Okay, again. Again it is showing the same error. You could observe in the left corner of the spreadsheet page. See, drag outside selection to extend series or field, drag inside to clear. In order to resolve this error, like we should give some command in the D1 cell so that the gap will be filled. I am giving like random. Okay. Now, let's try like by clicking on this corner icon. Okay. You could see like after, if there is no gap, then automatically the rest of the cells will be calculated. Like if you want to give the same, you perform the same here, like you need to fill all the random, like with the random matter you could fill the same matter in for all the remaining cells. Okay, up to here if you fill, and the k automatically it will calculate for the rest of the values. Like this is not like a normal double clicking format. Without giving any commands, like without giving any matter to the remaining rest of the cells, the spreadsheet cannot take or cannot perform the functions automatically. Okay, if you give something information in the cells, then the rest of the things automatically calculated by the spreadsheet. I hope this topic you guys understood this, this topic of double clicking the cells to perform the functions normally and not abnormally. Like abnormally in the sense like this random concept is like abnormally the cells will not get filled, like until unless you give the functions. I hope you understood this concept, guys, and that's all for this session, guys. You guys could try this in your own, and you could mention in the comments if you have any doubts. I request you to like this video and share this video to your friends who are willing to learn Excel from beginners to experts, and please subscribe this channel for more upcoming sessions. Thank you. Have a great day.